first thing first, shaping my brows. I'm using Huda Beauty palette here, the rose gold palette, and using the transition color. I'll be using 3 colors from the Huda Beauty palette. This is a lipstick, a lime crime lipstick, which I'm using as just to deepen the color on the crease. So as an eyeshadow, yes, I'm using it as an eyeshadow. Though I'll be locking it with the powder eyeshadow from Huda Beauty palette itself. Here. Now I'm using this black color from the palette. The look which I'm creating today is like half cut crease. So I'm cutting the crease here with Forever 52 concealer. Half crease I'll be cutting. Now I'm using the glitter eyeshadow, the liquid eyeshadow from Forever 52 once again. Forever 52, lot of products I have bought recently and I think they are very nice. The eyeshadow palettes are really good. Here I'm using again the Forever 52 palette and there's a silver color which I'm using on the liquid eyeshadow. Because I just wanted the shiny kind of thing, so I have used the glitter twice. Putting my liner, the eyelashes, YSL primer I'm using here. This is one of my favorite primer in recent days, I can say. MAC corrector palette, Huda Beauty Foundation, Indigo Essentials, and a liquid glitter I'm using, and I mixed all 3 for a dewy effect. I wanted a dewy effect on my face, so mixed all 3 and using that on my face. The concealer under eye, contouring and highlighting. Now the loose powder, you can use a loose powder, compact powder, whatever suits you. Now this is, I'm lining the under eyes. I wanted the eyes to be very dramatic. That is the reason I am putting this below the waterline, ending it with a hot red lipstick, and this is a metallic color from Lime Crime again, using my Forever 52 highlight powder. Okay, I'm all set now.